If your Google Calendar view looks wrong, stuck, zoomed in, or just isn't showing the way you want, don't worry. This is usually a very easy fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Calendar view in just a few simple steps so you can get your schedule looking normal again fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and Google Workspace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. If the page seems frozen or the view isn't loading correctly, start by clicking Refresh in your browser. Sometimes the simplest fix works best, especially if Google Calendar is not displaying events properly or the layout looks off after loading. Once the page refreshes, look at the top of the calendar. This is where you can change the calendar view. Google Calendar gives you several options depending on how you want to see your schedule. You can click day if you want to focus on one day at a time. You can choose week if you want to see your full week in a clean layout. If you prefer a broader overview, click month. You can also select year if you want a long-term view of your events, or schedule if you want a simple list-style view of everything coming up. And if you want a balanced layout that shows a few days at once, choose 4 days. This is one of the fastest ways to fix a Google Calendar view issue, because sometimes the problem isn't really an error at all. It's just that the wrong calendar layout is selected. Switching between day, week, month, year, schedule, and 4 days can instantly make the calendar feel normal again and help you find the view that works best for you. Now, if your calendar still looks too big, too small, too crowded, or strangely zoomed in or out, the next thing to check is your browser zoom. This matters because browser zoom can make Google Calendar look completely different even when the calendar itself is working fine. To adjust the zoom, use Ctrl and plus to zoom in or Ctrl and minus to zoom out. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command and plus or Command and minus. Keep adjusting until the calendar looks clear and properly sized on your screen. If things get too far off, you can usually reset the browser zoom back to normal as well. After changing the view and fixing the zoom level, Google Calendar should display much more cleanly. This can help if your events are hard to read, the columns look stretched, or the schedule feels cramped. A quick refresh, a view change, and a zoom adjustment are often all you need to fix the problem. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.